Hey, what's up everybody? Brent from Brenspeed. Thanks so much for watching Brenspeed TV. I have something cool to show you today. Dyno of the 17 GT, we installed a Paxton Novi 2200 supercharger. I'm going to tell you all about it. We did a couple mods also. This car came in with nothing but a set of Stainless Works long tube headers. I will put links in the description as we go over look at the engine compartment. You can click on read a lot more about these parts. And if you haven't, please subscribe and notify us up to date. Let's go check it out. All right, I have Doug with me. We're going to take a closer look. And as well, you can email quote@brenspeed.com and say, hey, what's it cost to build something like this? So Doug, come down here. Here's everything we did. It's the Novi 2200 supercharger running a 3.6 pulley. Of course, we use a fuel pump voltage booster, a set of Kohler spark plugs. When we're running in this, DW 95-pound injectors. We are also running MS-109 fuel. A lot of you wonder what fuel we run packages like this. You can also set up for 93 octane or any other premium fuel, but we're running MS-109 today. We did billet oil pump gears and all the cooling mods, because you know I love cooling mods. You watch these videos, you hear me talk a lot about it. We have our Adler radiator, the rear cylinder head cooling kit, as well as a cooler thermostat. So simply, long tube headers, our Paxton package, cooling mods, gonna hit right around 700 real horsepower. Check out this pull. All right, check out these numbers. DynoJet, SAE, Doug, take a look. 694 real horsepower, coming in at 7,300 RPM. Torque, 528 at 6,400. These are awesome numbers. This car is a sleeper. So basically, you know, it's a basic Paxton package on this with big injectors, MS-109, headers, cooling mods. I want you to look one more time at this car because it does have something cool on it. You know, it is pretty much a sleeper. But I really like this APR Performance wing on the back. I'm not a big fan of wings. I think that looks really sweet. But it's a 17 GT, manual transmission, laying down almost 700 real horsepower. So again, you can email quote@brenspeed.com to say, hey, what's the cost to build this? Or click on that description and you'll have links you can watch. Like click on it and say, hey, what headers are on this? Or I want to read a little bit more about the supercharger. You can do that as well. So if you haven't, again, subscribe and notify us up to date, leave that comment. Thanks for watching.